This video will show a supplier how to create an SAP Business Network account through which they can work with the city on solicitations or bids. First, it's important to note that you may already have a Business Network account and may even already have a profile with the city. If you know that account number, its username and password, then sign into it to look for an invitation or a profile with the City of Portland. If you are unsure of whether or not you have a business network account, then you might contact the City of Portland representative that you work with, or you might contact the SAP Help Desk. Finally, if you're sure that you do not have a business network account, then navigate to a browser and type supplier.ariba.com into the address bar, then click Enter. A couple of additional notes before we move on to the registration process. If you want to view City of Portland solicitations, you don't necessarily need an account created in the business network. You can use the address as shown in the middle of the screen, ending in 7487. Also, if you need to enter into a contract with the city, or if you're expecting payment from the city for work done, see the link in the bottom middle of the page. Now let's move on to registration. On the page for supplier.ariba.com, you are able to sign in if you have an existing business network account. Alternatively, if you do not have a business network account, then click on the Register Now link as shown on screen. Then you will add your email address into the screen that comes up. Click on the checkbox to consent to store the email ID, and then click the Continue button. You will receive a one-time password which you will want to enter onto the next screen. Navigate back to your email where the one-time password was sent. Collect that password and then enter it into the one-time password screen, clicking Continue after doing so. This will bring you into the business network where you can start your registration. We are going to walk through a company that we're calling Dynamic Inc. You will, of course, put your information into these cells instead. Enter the company name, add in the address lines, the city, the state, using the drop-down. Scroll down for more information, enter the zip code, enter your name, first, last, and then use your email as your username unless that is already taken. If not using your email that you signed up with, then you can uncheck the checkbox and provide a different username. Note that currently SAP requires that these usernames be formatted like email addresses, without spaces and with the @ symbol in them, though you do not have to put a valid email into this space. Next, you will enter your password and then repeat that password. Make sure that you note these items down as you will be maintaining your account into the future and will want to make sure that you have your email, username, and password used in the setup of this registration. Next, choose the business role from the drop-down that you fulfill for your organization. After doing so, click on the two check boxes below that, having read the terms of use and the privacy statement. After which, you'll click on the I am not a robot icon at the bottom of the screen. Click to scroll down the screen further, and click on the Create Account button. If unable to create an account, it is likely that there's an error somewhere above on the form. Look for that error highlighted in red or with red lettering underneath it. Once done, you have finished the creation process for your registration into the SAP Business Network. To view City of Portland solicitations, see the instructions View Solicitation Opportunities.